Okay, functions, this was the warm-up that we started with today, so go ahead and hit pause and do this. Okay, so here are the answers. So for 1 and 2, I went ahead and rewrote it from radical form to exponential form so that I could simplify, because 8 over 4 ends up being negative m squared. Did the same thing here. I rewrote it in exponential form, and then I simplified my rational exponent. I was given exponential form, so I rewrote it in radical form to help me do it, and I did that. This one, again, I was given it radical form. There was a couple different ways you could have done this. I decided to go ahead and write it in radical exponential form and simplify and find that I would get the square root of 81, which is 9. Another thing that we could have done is you could find the fourth root of 81, which is 3, and then square that, which is also 9. So 2 different ways to do the same thing. AB squared to the third power means AB squared times AB squared times AB squared, which is A cubed, B to the 6th. And then this one had some old exponent rules, so I knew I couldn't have any negatives, so I moved it down. Since this one was negative up here, I moved it down. And since this one was negative down here, I moved it up. And then I just combined my like terms, and I remembered that x to the 0 power is 1, so I didn't do anything. And then 5 over 15 simplifies to 1. Oops, that should be a 3. Simplifies to 1 over 3. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, make sure that you got that down. Okay, so here are those rules that I was using. So go ahead and hit pause and write these ones down in your notes. And then hit pause and write these ones in your notes. We do have a worksheet, so when you come into class, you can come and do that. Otherwise, I will have it posted on Canvas. So please make sure you get that completed, because there is some practice, and that is what we did today. Thank you. If you have any questions, make sure you come to class with those questions.